You think Russians say just one phrase for how are you? No, we have at least 10 ways, and they all sound different. If you use just как дела, you sound like a textbook. Today, I'll show you how Russians actually say how are you in real life. Поехали! The first one is the most standard one. You can use it everywhere. Как дела? How are you? How are things? Как дела? Хорошо. Good. Another one is how people actually speak with friends. Ты как? Ты как? You okay? Ты как? Нормально. 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 I'm okay. The next one sounds relaxed and warm. Ну чё, как ты? Ну чё, как ты? So how are you? Ну чё, как ты? Да, нормально всё. Да, нормально всё. Да, нормально всё. Yeah, everything's good. Another one is super casual. Чё как? Чё как? What's up? Чё как? Да так. Да так. Just, you know. Another one sounds more direct and personal. And pay attention on gender. Как сам? For male. Как сама? For female. Как сам? How are you? Отлично. Great. Another one is more emotional. This is not just how are you, it's deeper. Ну чё, как жизнь? Как жизнь? Как жизнь? How's life? Потихоньку. Потихоньку. Getting by. Потихоньку. Another one is very natural and very Russian. Как оно? Как оно? How is it going? Как оно? Как оно? Все окей. Все окей. Everything's okay. Все норм. Все норм. Все норм. Everything's okay. Another one is used after time if you haven't seen the person. Ну как ты там? Ну как ты там? How are things there? Пойдет. Пойдет. It's okay. Пойдет. Another one sounds softer, a bit more adult. Как поживаешь? Как поживаешь? How have you been? Как поживаешь? Не очень. Не очень. Not great. Не очень. Next one is about feelings. It focuses on emotion. Как настроение? Как настроение? How's your mood? Как настроение? Так себе. Так себе. So. Так себе. So what's the difference? In English, we have one phrase. In Russian, there are many options. And we choose based on situation, relationship, tone, or if you're just tired to use как дела all of the time. And remember that Russians don't give long answers. If you ask someone как дела or other phrases that we learned today, you just can hear нормально or норм, хорошо, пойдет. It's short, simple, and natural. Now, write in the comments which one do you like most. And if you want to understand real Russian like this faster, I have a free guide, Understand Real Russian in 5 minutes. And if you want full scripts, dialogues, and exercises, check my Patreon. You will find the link in the description. Пока-пока, увидимся!